Hello, beautiful soul, and welcome to the next clue of our year-long mystery knit-along. If you can believe it, we are 1/4 of the way done with this year's project. I'm also super excited to show off today the beautiful stitch pattern that you're going to be learning how to work this month. For clue 1, we made a single color diamond stitch pattern, and then for clue number 2, we knitted some absolutely gorgeous color work. And then last month we were focusing on creating space, both in our knitting and in our lives, so we made some really gorgeous lace work. And clue number 4 is all about embracing our journey, our growth, and even our challenges. Life is never stagnant. It's ever changing, growing, evolving, and even difficult situations can aid us in our journey through life. Those challenges can help us to be better, more beautiful, and kinder human beings. And I think that's lovely. And I love this quote that I read: embrace each challenge in your life as an opportunity for self-transformation. So you can download the newest clue and get the yarn at expressionfiberarts.com. And of course, make sure you are signed up for email updates, because that's where we're gonna announce the next clues. And for this month, we are recommending our Apparition Buttery Sport yarn. It's a soft whisper of a lavender shade, and I think it really complements last month's color, which was Aeolus, which was a rich, vibrant, saturated purple, really nicely. For this month's clue, you're gonna need to learn how to work a few new stitches. We'll start with our centered double decrease. So to work that, you're going to start by slipping 2 stitches purlwise to your right needle. So tip to tip. So you slip your 2 stitches, you're going to knit the next stitch, and then just grab those 2 stitches that you slipped and lift them up and over the knitted stitch. And there you go. Then you're going to find a make 3. So in the indicated stitch, all you're going to do is knit, yarn over, and knit all into that same stitch. So we've turned 1 stitch into 3, and I'll just knit over a bit. And when you see make 5, we're going to turn 1 stitch into 5, and that's really similar to this one. You knit into the next stitch, of course you leave it on your left needle, yarn over, knit again into that same stitch, yarn over, and then knit again into that stitch. Then you can drop it off your left needle, and we've turned 1 stitch into 5. I wish you a jolly time knitting this month. Let's embrace and savor every moment with gratitude in our hearts, and I will see you next month with clue number 5. Bye!